fuck up.
Alright, stop.
Calm it down.
Stop with the gamer marks for smartass. For starters, no, you can't. No game marks. No gamer marks ever again. Next time you do it, you owe me $1.
Only me.
Yeah, you owe me $1. And you owe me a quarter. What about we go? Damn it. I don't think I have it. You got that. Next time you make a gamer mark, you owe me $1.
Ouch. Hey, not selling.
You guys have to shake on it.
We're shaking
Do I have part of the cookie? Hey.
Want them in?
Zach is obviously not going to shake on it.
Better shake on it.
Only Game Boys don't shake on it!
Oh shit, I just...
Uh-oh. Another quarter in the jar.
We should have a
You
square
shook on
jar.
it, you give me a quarter.
No, he just said only gay people don't shake on it.
That's a quarter.
50 cents. 50 cents. That he
Gotta shake on
We
it.
say only
We should have a
people
square
have
jar.
anyone.
I don't care.
I collect the money.
I'll rack up.
No.
Bitches.
No! He doesn't want to give you his money, he won't give you his money.